You ever notice? Jamaicans can teach life lessons with some strange sayings. Now, if a Jamaican say, shortcut draw blood, them not really talk blood. What them really mean is, stop look for the easy way out. Because plenty of time, shortcut ending up costing you more than if you did just do it properly from the start. Now, if a Jamaican tell you, if you can't take the heat, turn out of the kitchen, them not really talk about cooking. What them really mean is, if you can't handle pressure, criticism or challenges, then maybe that situation enough for you. Jamaican saying always sound simple, but them always carry a whole life lesson inside. If you enjoy these, check out the ebook, Things Jamaican Say versus what them really mean. And if you love what me I wear, support the culture and grab the merch too. Zane, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's how it go. You tell me. Big up yourself.